Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to schedule messages inside WhatsApp. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive straight into it. Have you ever had a crucial message slip your mind right when it needed to be sent? Whether it's a time-sensitive detail or a special occasion like birthdays or anniversaries, forgetting feels frustrating. But here's the good news: you can schedule messages to ensure they're delivered precisely when you need them to be. No more last minute panic or forgotten dates. Want to know how? I'll show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp. Alright, the first thing you need to do now is head over to your Play or App Store. Click on Skedit. And now click on Install. Skedit Software International. Now just wait a few moments for this to download and install. Alright, once it's installed, click on Open. Wait for it to load. Alright, looks like you need to sign in or sign in with Gmail or create an account. Choose which one best suits you, or you can simply just skip it, which I will do. Alright, after you've done that, click on the blue plus icon. And you get a whole list of options here, but we want the WhatsApp one. So click on WhatsApp and you'll be brought to this screen. Alright, you can schedule to contacts or WhatsApp broadcast list or your status. For this demonstration, I'm going to click on contacts. Okay, under add recipients, click on WhatsApp. Click on enable. Click on installed apps. Click on Skedit. And now toggle this to on. Click on allow. Alright, now head back. Click on WhatsApp again. Skedit needs to be granted appear on top. Permissions and settings, so click on OK. Scroll down and look for Skedit. Alright, where it says Skedit, toggle that to on to appear on top. Alright, now click on WhatsApp again. I'm going to click on Birchie. So there he is there. I'm going to type a message to schedule. Alright, the message is there. Now you can choose a schedule date and time. So I'm going to click the 23rd, the 16th. And the time, I'm going to make that 10:40 PM. Click on OK. You can have a bell notification to ask me before sending. I'm going to toggle that on. You can click on labels, but then you need to get a premium plan for this, so don't worry about that. Alright, once you've done all that, click on the tick icon, top of your screen. Click on enable, because you need to turn on Skedit notifications for automated scheduling.